Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome back to my another new video. This is Mojnu once again in front of you. Those who are watching this video, I really hope that you all are fit and fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am doing great. Right now, I have come to our vegetable field. After coming our vegetable field, I am trying to make a video. I am an English video creator, so I am trying to make a video. You can see this is a vegetable field. There are many vegetables in this field. You can see. Okay, you can see. I am showing you. This is sponge gourd. It is called বাংলা ধুন্দুল। এটাকে বাংলায় বলা হয় ধুন্দুল আর ইংরেজিতে বলা হয় sponge gourd. Okay, keep watching this video. This is sugar cane. It is called বাংলা আখ। বাংলা এটাকে আখ বলা হয় আর ইংরেজিতে কি বলা হয় sugar cane. Over there, this is wax gourd field. Over there, you can see this is grass. Okay, you can see wax gourd. Okay. This is long eared bean. বাংলা এটাকে বলা হয় বরবটি। There are lot of long eared bean. You can see. Over there, this is snake gourd field. You can see this is snake gourd. This is bitter gourd field. বাংলা এটাকে বলা হয় করলা। Okay. This is bitter gourd. You can see. Okay, keep watching this video. Over there are so many paddy field. You can see. It is raining. So many paddy field you can see. Over there maize field. This is papaya tree. You can see. Over there, cucumber field. You can see this is cucumber field. Wow, it is amazing scenery, mesmerizing, beautiful scenery. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Assalamu alaikum.